everyone, I'm Stevie with Griot's Garage, and today we're going to be talking about our starter car care kit. This kit contains all of the popular liquid essentials you'll need to get started for a basic exterior detail, and it's bundled to save you money. Starting with our wheel cleaner, which is safe on all finishes and BBS approved, you'll want to remove any brake dust, dirt, or grime from your wheels before moving to your wash process with our 16-ounce bottle of super concentrated car wash. This bottle will yield about 32 gallons of wash solution. After the wash, you'll want to move on to a decontaminating step if necessary with our Brilliant Finish synthetic clay paired with the Speed Shine as a lubricant. The synthetic clay will last about 25 to 30 vehicles, and the Speed Shine can also be used between washes to remove light dust, bird droppings, tree sap, etc. After that, if necessary, you'll move to the Best of Show wax, which will provide about 3 to 4 months worth of protection and the best color depth, gloss, and clarity. The cherry on top is the vinyl and rubber dressing, which is a great dressing for all vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. It provides UV protection and a satin sheen and a little bit of depth. For more information on our starter car care kit, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.